MagicLight.ai, revolutionizing content creation with AI-powered video generation. In today's digital age, captivating content is paramount. MagicLight.ai emerges as a groundbreaking tool, transforming written narratives into engaging videos effortlessly. This AI-driven platform caters to creators, marketers, and educators, offering a seamless bridge between text and visual storytelling. You can find the website link in the description. Key features of MagicLight.ai. AI text-to-video conversion. MagicLight.ai utilizes advanced artificial intelligence to convert written content into professional-quality videos, enhancing engagement and reach. MagicLight.ai, user-friendly interface. Designed for both novices and professionals, the platform offers an intuitive interface, simplifying the video creation process without compromising on quality. You can find the website link in the description. Customization options. Users can tailor videos to their preferences, adjusting elements like themes, animations, and pacing to align with their brand or message. Benefits of using MagicLight.ai. Time efficiency. By automating the video creation process, MagicLight.ai significantly reduces the time and effort required, allowing users to focus on other critical tasks. Cost-effective. Eliminating the need for extensive resources or specialized skills, the platform offers a budget-friendly solution for high-quality video production. Enhanced engagement. Videos created with MagicLight.ai are designed to captivate audiences, leading to improved engagement metrics and content reach. Conclusion. MagicLight.ai stands at the forefront of AI-powered content creation, offering an innovative solution for transforming text into compelling videos. Its user-friendly design, coupled with advanced features, makes it an invaluable tool for anyone looking to enhance their content strategy. What is MagicLight.ai? MagicLight.ai is an AI-driven platform that converts written content into professional-quality videos, streamlining the content creation process. Who can benefit from using MagicLight.ai? You can find the website link in the description. The platform is ideal for content creators, marketers, educators, and anyone seeking to enhance their content with engaging videos. Is MagicLight.ai suitable for creating long-form videos? Yes, users have successfully created extended videos, including 30-minute animations, using MagicLight.ai. Do I need prior video editing experience to use MagicLight.ai? No, MagicLight.ai is designed with a user-friendly interface, making it accessible to individuals without prior video editing experience. How does MagicLight.ai enhance audience engagement? By transforming text into visually appealing videos, MagicLight.ai helps capture audience attention, leading to improved engagement metrics. You can find the website link in the description.